Morning guppies, welcome to Bullshark. Today I'm going to show you how to do an inverted 360 bullet time on an Acrobat.
Shoot this motherfucker!
We're gonna light test, and then when I nail it,
Sharks in order.
Now this was just a spur of the moment idea that I didn't really have planned, and then the gimbal that I had died that day. A habit I have before shooting is making sure that the night before everything's charged and any firmware updates that might have been released since I last used it have been installed, updated, tested, and everything's working correctly before I pack my stuff the next day to actually go to the shoot. I'm going to take you through some BTS footage over at 110 Studios in Bushwick, Brooklyn with my friend Alyssa Arroyo. She's an Acrobat, does a bunch of aerial stuff. I don't know the actual terminology for all this stuff. She's an aerial artist. This space here actually doubles as a green screen half pipe. And Alyssa has mounts in the rafters to hook her Lyra to so that we could do this. So this is pretty much my lighting to go bag. It's a tactical bag that I got off of Amazon that's meant to hold rifles. It holds all 4-foot QUASAR Science rainbow RGB tubes. On the other side, which is separated by like a foam barrier and a zipper, there's all of my light stands, booms. And then on the side where you have your ammo compartments, I have 4 25-foot extension cables, a power squid, and a few other mounting options as far as brackets and stuff that go on C-stands. And everything's padded for protection. I think this bag costs like $50. Link in the description below. Another hack that you're going to want to invest in is a cheap one off of Amazon. You're going to want to stock up on as many of these reusable Velcro zip ties for your cables as you can. And if there's anything that will help you stay organized during a shoot, it's developing OCD from an early stage on. I have the Nomatic Peter McKinnon bag. Once I'm going to take the badges off, I feel like a tool walking into a film set with something with his name on it. The Atomos Ninja V. Unlike all the fanboys, I shoot video on Nikon. If you know how to shoot and you know how to color grade, having a Canon over a Nikon over a Sony is not going to make much of a difference. Everybody rips on Nikon cameras, but Sony's color sucks. I'm primarily a concert photographer, and I'll never give up Nikon for nighttime shooting. Low light seizure-inducing rave situations, Nikons still shoot the best. You can have your Sony. I had to space the lights out kind of far because I had no idea how wide Alyssa's legs were going to swing, and I did get kicked a couple times when I was underneath her. Did a couple takes on the tripod, and then I did a few handheld, did a few shots underneath. What you need for this shot is a 360 camera and the bullet time stick. I'm not sure what other manufacturers, what shooting modes are on other cameras, but bullet time's built into the Insta360. If you're interested in copying an Insta360 1R, there's a link in the description below. Tell them Sean sent you. The rest of it was real simple. I turned the camera on, passed the baton off to Alyssa, and let her swing it upside down for a few takes. So that's our 3-minute Thursday 360. I hope this gave you some ideas to take and run with on your own. Don't copy mine, add to it. So if you decided to try an inverted 360 bullet time, let me know, tag me so I can see it. You can find me at Bullshark. hopefully this helps you make a decision on which 360 camera that you might want to go with in the future if you're considering attempting some of the stuff that I've been putting up here. If you have questions, suggestions, ideas for tutorials, by all means, hit me up. I need a tagline. Anybody see Jaws? I'll see y'all next week.